Hello, my name is Frank from MakePro X. I am here to show you the custom abilities of our system. It is a modular controller system, so it's a bit like a Lego system. All the controllers you see here on our booth are basically built the same way, and you can do this too. This is great for broadcast, this is great for installed AV, where absolutely custom controllers, custom surfaces, which are totally individual to the application, give your customer a huge benefit over standardized controllers which never quite fit. Now, you can do this. You can do this now, as in today. You go to our website, let me show you how this works. So, if you go to our website, which is MakePro-X.com, you will see that you can look at standard devices, and there's a section called My Devices. My Devices, you have to register first. Once you registered, you can create your own custom controllers, and you do this online. This is how it works. This is our online builder, and there's even a 3D preview, where as you can see exactly what you're doing, what you're building. And in this builder, there's a library of what we call tiles. These are those modules in the controller. This is completely modular. So regarding modularity, our controller system is a bit like Lego. So there are building blocks, and you can build, using these building blocks, pretty much any controller you like to have for your application. Now, you see here, those are the modules. It is a system whereas we have aluminum rails, and these modules are slided into the device from the rear. And if we turn this around, this is a view you don't usually see, but now you see these modules from below, and the really simple wiring, it's always the same cable, and you just connect them in some way. As long as they are connected, it'll work. So this system is repairable. If any one module breaks, in a year, in 10 years, in 20 years, you can replace this module. If you say, oh, I want to change the layout, you could. You could open it, you could take the modules out, you could change them around. You could do such a thing. So we designed this in a way that it is extremely sturdy. It is modular, but at the same time it's extremely robust, extremely rigid. And we worked on this for years to bring you a system which you can enjoy for many, many years to come. I could swap these two tiles. Actually, even you could do it, and certainly you can do this on the screen. So we could bring in a motor fader, for example. We could bring in an OLED display. We could bring in maybe some buttons, maybe some encoders like this. Now let's take a look how this looks like. So the preview shows you how this looks like. You can turn it, flip it, show it to your friends. Now I'm just duplicating this to complete it. And if you said now, this is the device I want to use in a project, I want to use in an installation, you could send this to your customer, or your integrators can propose this to their customer by making this device public and sending the customer a link. The customer would then see this device. He would be seeing the 3D images you created, the renders. And so without even building it, you can build a device in the cloud, suggest it, and if the customer gives you feedback, you may change it, but then eventually the customer will say, beautiful, this is exactly what I need in my application. And then we would build it for you and for your customer. This is not a direct sales tool. It's in our cloud. It allows you to build these devices, but we are shipping only through our partners, only through our distributors and integrators would we make this available. This is a powerful sales tool. It's a unique way to achieve highly individualized controllers for specifically AV installed and broadcast installations.